This is nice. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are collabing with Curlsqueen to install some clip-ins. You guys can see that they sent over some goodies. It comes with a brush, some extra clips, also this beautiful bonnet that I have been wearing since I received my package. And you also received this beautiful satin storage bag, which is actually holding the star of the show, these clip-ins. These clip-ins are texture 4A to 4B. I do believe that their actual name from the website is Water Kinky Coily. So when you receive your clip-ins, you want to make sure that you go through and wash it so you can get the true definition of the curls. And you know, you just want to clean out your clip-ins whenever you receive any type of extensions from wherever. So I'm just going to go in with my Cream of Nature. I did use that shampoo and conditioner from the Argan Oil line, which smells so great. It left the hair feeling so soft and smooth. So I'm just going to allow the video to finish playing all the washing process, and then we're going to get into the styling.
So let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to remove our bonnet, and you guys, please don't say anything about my braiding pattern. I don't know what I did. I just literally put my hair in 4 big braids just so we can have something to hold the clip-ons to. And this is pretty much going to be my leave out. Depending on where I want to put my part, this is how I decided to split up my leave out. So this could work for a side part. Not a deep side part, but it can work for a side part as well as the middle part. So I think I'm gonna go for a middle part today. Yeah, let's see how that goes. But here's the braid pattern. Y'all, this is so much hair. Okay, let's talk about that first and foremost. So much hair. It's supposed to be 2 5 clip-ins. So this is not the seamless kind, but this is just the standard traditional clip-in style. And it has the clip-ins here. So we have 2 sets of 5, 2 sets of 4, 2 sets of 3, and then 4 sets of 2. So plenty, more than enough to do a complete head. Y'all, it's so much hair. This is gonna be so full, but I'm ready for it. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I want to do a 3 in the back, in the very bottom first, and then work my way up from there. So let's take a 3-piece clip in first. Here we have a 3-piece right here. And we're going to open those up. We're going to start out with them opened up. So and this is our first clip in. Right? You can open up your space a little bit so you're not stacking them too close on top of one another, because like I keep saying, these are very full. So there's no need to clip these on too close together. Now, if you have straight hair, clip-ins, or kinky straight, yaki texture, or anything of that sort, then yes, you might want to lay them a little closer. But to have curly hair, definitely don't want these too close together. I want to go in with number 5 next. And y'all, these are laying really snug. Goodness gracious, y'all, it's full already. Y'all see how full this is coming out already? Yeah, that's full. I'm gonna kind of curve it up. If you guys saw that, I curved it up so that we can get a little bit more towards the face. These are gorgeous, y'all. I might redo that first 5. So we can curve up this way too. There we go. Perfect. That's perfect. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let's go on with the next 4. Now, if you run out of space, but you got tracks or clip-ins towards the back half, take them out the middle, girl, and move them up, okay? Because like I said, this hair is so full that you can afford to move and shift the clip-ins as need be. So don't be scared to move stuff around if you got to get stuff out the way and moved around, okay? Don't be scared. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start working on defining the curls first before I work on my leave out. So let's go ahead and spray it. Just to add a little bit of moisture because I don't want to have to work too hard to get it to dry. So we're just going to add a little bit of water. And then we're going to go in with we're just going to go straight in with some gel. I'm going to be using my Eco Style today for to give a definition. See how this works out. Definitely on those ends. Ooh. Under my instant, y'all. Of course, you can always spray a little bit more water. I really don't want it too saturated. Wow. Look at. Oh, wow. Look at the definition already. That's a beautiful curl. That's beautiful. Yeah, this is going to match real nice with my hair. And easy to separate. It's not tangling. I'm not getting any matting, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Spray a little bit of that water. I will link everything down in the description bar if you guys are interested in seeing or getting you some clip-ins. I'm honestly using this because I love doing curly hair, and right now my hair is in the state of postpartum shedding, so I'm not able to wear a wash and go right now with my hair simply because I'm trying to do a preservation. I'm trying to keep as much hair on my head as possible right now, and you guys know doing wash and goes, your hair is prone to single strand knots and tangling and matting. So with the hair shedding, I really can't afford to do wash and goes on my natural hair right now. So being able to have these clip ins is really coming in clutch. Hair is really, really, really nice, and it is styling with no problem at all. I'm not having no problems with this hair. No shedding. Maybe a little bit when I did my wash. When I did my initial wash, I did have a little bit of shedding, and I show you guys that in the beginning of the video when I'm done washing the hair, but literally just a little bit of shedding, nothing too crazy. So I highly suggest that you go and check out that link, check out Curlsqueen, and get you some clip-ins, girl. If you got ambition of having long, thick, natural hair, and you ain't never had it, or you may not be able to grow your hair thick like this, but you want to experience it, go ahead and get you some clip-ins, and it'll quickly become your reality that this is possible. Ooh, I love these. These are nice, y'all. That's all I can really say about this. And they smell good because I did that shampoo and conditioner. They smell so good. All right, so this is my leave out. And you guys can see how nice this matches up with the clip ends. So beautiful. But I did establish my middle part. Yeah, that part is not straight. Why you ain't tell me? So it's been a few hours since I installed the clip-ins, and the layers are just naturally falling this way, so that's a plus. Also, you guys, like I said before, my hair just blended right into these clip-ins. It's so crazy how nice my hair blended into this. Literally the same texture, literally. Just a little bit of specs about the hair. This is 18-inch. It does come with 10 tracks to each bundle, so it will cover your entire head. It looks very nice and natural. My husband didn't even realize that this was not my hair. I wish I could have caught that on camera, but I didn't catch it. But yes, this looks very good, nice and natural. Very soft, and it takes the product very well. So if you guys are interested in getting you some clip-ins, something like this, or a different texture, it doesn't matter what type of texture you have. They have clip-ins for every texture on Curlsqueen. Of course, I'm going to put the link down in the description bar. And as I always say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.